Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Mandal and you're going to see more of vlogs, travel vlogs and also reviews on my channel. So do subscribe and also hit the like button. Today is a different kind of a video. This will be a short video. You might have seen the thumbnail and you have understood what this video is about. It's about how I remove my makeup and maybe after a shoot or maybe after going to any party, any wedding, you need to remove your makeup before you go to bed because that is very important. If you do not remove your makeup and you go to bed, then what that does is it just clogs your skin pores and that is very bad. That is going to harm your skin, that is going to give you clogged pores and that is going to give you wrinkles, very bad skin. So you need to remove the makeup very well before you go to sleep. So let me show you what are the things I use to remove my makeup. First of all, this is a baby wipe which I had got hold from Flipkart. This is from the Flipkart brand itself. So these are the baby wipes and you can get hold of any baby wipes. This is dermatologically tested. I think using a baby wipe is very good because it is very light and that is the main reason I use baby wipes. Some cotton, these are the cotton pads which you get from Miniso. I had got hold of these from Miniso. So these are the things which you are going to need. Another very important thing is this, the Garnier Miscellar cleansing water. This has two variants, the water based I think. There's another thing which has the oil based, the yellow color one. Anyways, so I use this. So I will show you how I remove my makeup now. I have makeup on as you can understand. So first of all what I do is I take the baby wipe out of the bag. It has been kept. So that is the baby wipe. So now what I do is first I start with the face. Okay. Start with the face, gently wiping out all the makeup. So you see how good they are. If you think that baby wipes cannot be used for makeup, that's not true. You can definitely use baby wipes for removing makeup. So you can understand that mostly the makeup is removed by just using the baby wipes. 100% removal of makeup is necessary. You have to remove the makeup very well. No trace of makeup should be there on your skin. So that's mostly done, but now I will use the micellar water which is to be used to remove the leftover makeup. So just pour it on this cotton pad and just do the same thing as you were doing with the baby wipe. That's done. So the makeup is totally removed, and so now what you need to do is just apply your favorite moisturizer. Whatever cream moisturizer you use on your skin, just apply it. Yes, before that you can use a face wash also. If you think that the makeup is not fully removed, then you can also use a face wash and that will make your skin fresh. That will make you fresh after you come from a party or whatever. And then yes, don't forget to apply a lip balm and also a moisturizer before going to the bed because that is very important because your skin had so much makeup on that was clogging the pores, and so you need to moisturize it, give your skin food. That is most important. So you need to do that before you go to sleep. Just apply the moisturizer and also a lip balm on your lips and just go to sleep. That was what I do to remove my makeup. Do tell me what you do to remove your makeup after you come home from a party, from a wedding, or after any such event. Thank you for watching this video. and you can suggest me about video topics also in the comment section below. I will definitely think of doing them in future, in coming days, and keep supporting as you do, because my channel is a small one, but I need loads of support from you. So please support and subscribe, and also share this video with your friends. Thank you.